Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a sound test, just so you all can hear how different the Kailh bronze switch sounds like. Okay, so here's the Kailh bronze switch. All right, and then here's the gold for comparison. And then here's a Gateron blue for another comparison. And then back to the bronze. You can hear that has a really nice, crisp, loud click. And the reason is because it's not produced in the same way as the other clicky switches. So you can see here I opened up a bronze switch, and you can see how the click mechanism works, so that it makes it a linear switch but with a clicky sound. So here we are, and there's the bronze it has a little bit of a leg at the back, a little bit of a leg right there, that when you push it down, it snaps this little metal piece there. Yep, and there you have it.